she's unbelievably kind, and she's got such a background of early performing as I have, and I think we really both understand where the other is coming from. It's just an ingrained, built-in respect and great affection.